A worn or malfunctioning brake caliper can cause some serious trouble for a customer's braking system. Common issues include excessive or uneven brake pad wear or shaking or pulling during braking, any of which can lead to brake failure. Performing a thorough inspection is necessary to identify all potential issues that may exist. It's difficult to determine the cause of a problem just by looking at it. Disassembly is the only accurate way to perform a thorough inspection. Unbolt the caliper and check the movement of the guide pins. They're supposed to slide in and out easily. If not, it could be because the grease in them has solidified or the pins are rusted in place. The pins need to be removed, cleaned thoroughly, and properly lubed before they're reassembled. The guide pin boots keep the grease in and the dirt out. If the pins are seized, most likely these boots are worn or damaged and not doing their job. Inspect them for tears, leaks, or loose fit and replace them if necessary. The caliper piston should return easily into the caliper bore when pressure is applied. If the piston is stuck or difficult to push in, the caliper piston's bore is likely corroded and the caliper should be replaced. Another important step is to check the caliper bracket for wear or damage in the guide pin bores and at the brake pad contact points. One other way to identify trouble is by looking at the brake pads. The inboard and outboard pads should wear evenly. If one side is worn more than the other, it's likely caused by one of these problems. Also, you want to closely inspect the caliper piston seal for damage and look for any signs of fluid leaking from around the piston. If the caliper fails any of these visual inspections, it should be replaced. Keep in mind that many calipers do not come with replacement brackets. However, all B-Pro Auto calipers come with the necessary bracket required for installation. When it's time for replacement, B-Pro Auto high-quality, competitively priced, OE-backed brake calipers offer dependable, leak-free performance and are backed by an extensive warranty. For more information, visit our website at bproautoparts.com.